Hello, families. So I'm going to show you how to set up a parent-teacher conference with me if you are unable to attend open house this evening. So what you do is you want to click on Google Chrome and then you're going to log in with Clever. Make sure you're logging in with your child's Chromebook. Then you click on Canvas. After you click on Canvas, you'll have to click on my folder. And I'm going to go into student view so you see what your child's Chromebook will look like. Okay, so once you have this up, now you're going to want to click on the calendar over here. If you don't have the word, it looks like this right here with the six boxes. So click on calendar. Once you click on the calendar, you need to go over here to find appointment. So click find appointment. This is the course you want. This is my course, Mrs. Snyder's course. Hit submit. And then up here it says the next available appointment in this course is November 12th. So you want to click on this. And then right here is the list of all my parent-teacher conferences. And what you have to do is if you just click on one, you just hit reserve, and then that's your time that you will be able to meet with me virtually for parent-teacher conferences. If one of these times do not work, please reach out to me and let me know. Thank you so much.